Hello, hello, hello. So, another day of quarantine and another day of we don't have supplies for that. So, we're going to do a little bit of fun here. And we're making some cakes and need some vanilla for the frosting. And so, thought we'd do some vanilla rum frosting. And we're going to do it really fast. So, normally you could take your vanilla bean, you could sit it in your rum for a week or two, and you'd have this lovely, vanilla extract. But we can go faster. We're going to use nitrogen. Whippet brand. The best, absolutely. Each of these is nitrous oxide, and that's just going to generally speed up this process. So, to get started with this, we are going to try to figure out where I dropped my vanilla bean. There it is. We're going to take one vanilla bean, two ounces of, in this case, an overproof rum. That'll make it just go a little bit faster, extract a little bit more. And we're looking for a rum flavor, and this has quite a lot of rum to it. Wray & Nephew is available just about everywhere, and it's 63% alcohol, which is a little bit more than standard. So we're going to pour that in right there like that. Screw the top on very noisily. There we go. You want a good seal, but you don't want to really crank down too far because you don't want to break it. You're going to take the nitrous oxide, and you're going to put it in. Actually, I should show you this really quick in case you're not familiar with these. It's got a bit of steel that goes across the top, so it's all sealed in. And actually, you can probably see it in there. That little pin's going to go right through it. Normally you would use this for making whipping cream. So like that. Gonna give it a couple of shakes. Like so. Then we're gonna say, Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Okay, I'll be back in 2 minutes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alexa, stop. Okay, so now we've got that done. Give it a little tiny bit of a shake just to clear everything up, and we are going to release the pressure. Ideally, you would do this into, a towel or something to make sure you're not spraying liquid all over your wife's iPhone. But it's just a gentle squeeze. You don't want anything to come out too much. You can see a little bit of vapor right there. It smells like lovely rum and vanilla. That's the flavor we're trying to make. My wife is laughing at me as I do this, but she doesn't want to be on camera. So there we go. Got a little vapor right there. It is slightly fizzy. That's a first. It's never actually been fizzy before. Not sure why that is. There's the vanilla bean. If I was trying to do this better, more properly, and not suddenly decide I wanted to make a YouTube video about it, what we really should have done is cut the vanilla bean in half before we did this. Because inside that vanilla bean, we've got lots of seeds. That we could have scraped out like so, and that's where all the vanilla flavor is. I'm just gonna drop that in really gently like so. Cool, there we go. There is rapid, oh, it's bubbling. Normally you don't get this much nitrous oxide into the alcohol, but apparently today we do, and there it goes. There you go. Instant or 2 minute rum flavoring. Rum vanilla flavoring. I'm just here for the rum.